Today in the grain market, soybeans were firm. That's consolidating, really at the recent lows that we've had. Sideways trade is kind of creating a little bit of a channel right now. The futures have lost that downside momentum, and that's why it's moving sideways. Interestingly enough, we've had that U.S. Senate bill supporting Hong Kong definitely has made an obstacle for the U.S.-China trade negotiations, and it makes it very difficult. But something like that also will, put any kind of upside momentum or any significant rally, really on the back burner right now. But we've got to wait as the hearings go on. It seems like the market has kind of stalled somewhat. So we're watching that closely. Corn is easier today. That ethanol demand has just declined even further. There just isn't any kind of good news. That's really pressuring the market somewhat. We're down almost 4 cents today. We're below that 370 support level for the December contract. March has just broken through under the 380 level. That's really kind of those big support numbers just tell us that there is some weakness in the market. The fields are kind of soft, but supplies are relatively plentiful. We really are looking for some demand to start to move some of the corn that we have here. Any other headlines could definitely help, but right now we're still waiting for a little bit of a deal. The wheat is higher today. Interestingly enough, it's really staying in yesterday's range, but wheat has been surprisingly kind of strong right now. It bounced off that $4.98 level and broke through that big $5 benchmark. That was a big support number, possibly because there has been some serious drought in Australia. That definitely could help us down the road, but we don't know for sure. But pushing that market around just tells us that there is some strength, and maybe the algorithms are pushing it somewhat because trade volume has been relatively light. And I think that it's difficult right now that we haven't really been able to benefit from any kind of pullback from the U.S. dollar index or anything like that, and yet the wheat market has been a little bit higher. I just suspect that we're creating just a larger channel to consolidate in because the weather is better for the winter wheat, so we don't have anything to worry about. And as long as the market stays above that $5 benchmark, I think that we can see that we'll move sideways until a deal comes or some better headline that will give us a little bit of a shot in the arm, or maybe an idea of where market direction is going to go from here.